Hello everyone. Today in this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best rice cooker in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Black + Decker Rice Cooker. The Black Decker Rice Cooker cleanup is a cinch with the dishwasher safe, non-stick bowl, and tempered glass lid. Plus, you can use the cooker to prepare soups, stews, and even oatmeal. Cooking takes just 20 to 40 minutes, and the unit keeps the delicious, fluffy rice ready to serve long after cooking is complete with an automatic, keep warm, function. You can prepare anywhere from 3 to 16 cups of cooked rice, great for one large meal, or save as leftovers. Use the Black Decker rice cooker as a steamer too. The included steaming basket lets you prepare healthy meals with vegetables, fish, and more. The rice stays ready for serving. The unit automatically switches to the keep warm function after cooking is complete. The measuring cup makes it easy to cook the perfect amount of rice, and the plastic serving spoon prevents accidental scratches to the nonstick bowl. At number 4. Instant Zest. The Instant Zest rice cooker gives you smart cooking programs to help you save time and ensure dishes turn out exactly as you want them to. Fine-tune and save cooking times and temperatures that suit your family's tastes. In addition to the smart program presets for white and brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal, you can cook any type of rice and grain fast and perfectly, from millet, farro, and freekeh, to polenta, barley, rice pudding, and more. More than just a rice cooker, the Instant Zest quickly steam veggies, fish, dumplings, tamales, cabbages, wontons, and more with ease. Its capacity is the perfect combination of value, convenience, and cooking ease. Bright, bold display and status indicators let you know exactly where your food is in the cooking process. Delay, start, and keep warm functions make sure your rice, grains, and more are ready when you are. At number 3. Aroma Rice Grain Cooker. The Aroma Rice Grain Cooker, delivering hot, hearty, and healthy meals the entire family will love. Digital convenience. This convenient cooker's compact capacity perfectly cooks 2 to 8 cups of any variety of rice with specialized functions for both white and brown rice. Once the rice has finished, it will automatically switch to keep warm, so there's no need for monitoring or stirring. The steam tray allows for healthy steaming of meats and vegetables, even as rice cooks below. These Aroma Rice Grain Cookers, it's also suitable for oatmeal, chili, jambalaya, soups, and more. Delay timer. The delay timer is designed for people on the go. No matter when cooking is finished, the cooker will automatically switch to keep warm for conveniently flexible meal planning. Its inner cooking pot and all accessories remove for easy cleanup, and it is non-stick coated. At number 2. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach Digital Rice Cooker. Cook grains, hot cereals, or your favorite packaged rice mix without having to boil water or set a timer. You can use this function for flavored pasta and rice mixes, beans, soups, and one-pot meals. Rinsing rice before cooking helps prevent clumping and creates a fresh taste. Now it's simple to do with the included steam basket that doubles as a rice rinser. Use the keep warm setting to ensure your dish stays at the right temperature until you're ready to serve it. These Hamilton Beach digital rice cookers are great for preparing rice in a hurry. The cooker automatically shifts to warm once the cooking cycle is complete. Cook everything from a 10-minute batch of white rice to farro, quinoa, and other whole grains with this rice cooker. You can use the heat simmer setting to make your own soups, beans, or flavored pasta mixes. At number 1. Toshiba TRCS-01. The Toshiba TRCS-01 rice cooker is industry-leading 3D cooking technology and intelligent 6-step cooking process. The steam valve and inner non-stick pot can preserve the steam and heat for perfectly fluffy rice every time. It has 7 pre-programmed settings to cook white rice, brown rice, mixed rice, short or long-grained rice, oatmeal, porridge perfectly in terms of texture, flavor, and aroma. 12 cups cooked rice for family serving. Toshiba rice cooker has a quick rice feature. The specially designed sensor accelerates the cooking time to 30 minutes, which is an excellent and great time-saving option. The rice cooker keep warm setting activates automatically when cooking is complete, holding contents at ideal serving temperature for up to 24 hours. As you cook, steam rises through the vent without bubbling over and no messy overflow.